How to get body coin on PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to get body coins on PUBG. Getting body coins on PUBG is quite easy, so without any delay let's start the video. Complete daily and weekly challenges. PUBG Mobile often includes body coin as reward for completing certain daily or weekly missions. Play in events. Body coin are also rewarded during special events. These events may feature different tasks and challenges that offers body coin as a prize. Participate in special game modes. PUBG Mobile occasionally introduce limited time game modes or challenges that offers body coin as reward. Companion events. PUBG Mobile frequently holds special companion event related to your in-game body, where you can earn body coins by completing body related tasks. By earning and collecting body coins, you can unlock special events and cosmetic for your in-game companion. And here you go, that's how you can earn body coin on PUBG. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.